Hey, this is Joe with H4H Remodeling and Repairs. We're out here in Vacaville doing a video on a full bathroom renovation. We did a complete demo on this one. The customer decided to go with a Pebble Rock shower pan, Vanity gold shower surround with 2 niches and brushed nickel finishes with a frameless shower door enclosure. We've also replaced the tub with matching slab skirting and top. Also, we've included this access for plumbing for future repairs or replacement. The tile here is a 12 by 24 inch tile. As you can see here, we have a Vanity on back order for about 6 weeks now. So if you want to see a video of what all this looks like when it's finished up, check one of our future videos out. Give us a call if you got a bathroom, a kitchen, bedroom.